wind. Edging one time to the right side, yeah. Upstairs. Upwind, Emma. Yeah, bravo, that's what I mean.
Yeah, my friend, there you go. Do it, learn it. Yes. Hey guys, I'm on a boat cruise with Moo, exploring the lagoon of El Gouna, and we are driving very relaxed here in the motorboat and coming across all the nice hotels and the places and the villas. Very nice place to be. Ready to go on a motorbike trip.
More, you don't like it?
Well, more up to date.
Okay,
I think the gas is really, you need to really push it.
Okay, I have another one, XR.
It's what?
XR, this one.
XR, it's heavier, right?
I think it will be more good in that mountain.
This year.
It will be okay, just I want you to go in the mountain track.
Yeah.
Okay, you will enjoy.
Yeah.
Because you will take a route in the mountain.
Yeah.
Okay, just with this bike, it will be okay.
Okay.
Okay, just right.
Good. Abschluss des Tages noch einen Chai und eine Shisha. So guys, I'm driving here in a taxi with Ahmed. Yeah, brother, very good driver. By the way, he accepted a price for £143, and when he came, he asked £200 for me. And I said it's not fair, so we started negotiating. 5 minutes, we were standing at the crossing, negotiating. I finally agreed to £180, and we're almost there, and let's see how the story will work out. I trust in his brave and in his honor as an Egyptian businessman,
Yes.
to stand to his offer of £180. Let's see.